Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Homesnap, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, locate the Homesnap app on your device. Tap to open the app. Once the app is open, you will see the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, double-check that your email and password are correct. Once confirmed, tap the Login button. If you are using Homesnap for the first time, look for the Sign Up option instead. Tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password following the guidelines provided. Once you complete the sign-up process, return to the login screen. Enter your newly created email and password. Now, tap the Login button again. After successfully logging in, you will gain access to the Homesnap dashboard. From there, you can start exploring its features and functionalities. And that's how you log into Homesnap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.